Welcome to the Extend Academy.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I lead a product team here at Extend. In this video, we're going to talk about budgets. We'll cover why it's a best practice to create all your virtual cards from a budget, the various budget types, best practices, and close with some parting thoughts. Let's dive right in. First, we'll talk about the importance of starting with a budget. In Extend, budgets help you organize your company spend. You can use budgets to organize spend by department, project, client, etc. More than that, though, budgets give you the power to delegate secure access to allocated funds. What do I mean by that? If you're a company cardholder, you can give budgets to team members so that they themselves can create and update virtual cards directly. This allows you to eliminate the need for physical card sharing and to delegate these responsibilities as needed. Here are 3 practical ways that you can use budgets. First, empower others to manage team spend. Give a budget to another team member or even yourself so that they can create their own virtual cards and manage their own spending needs. Second, share administrative access. If 2 people need to manage department funds with virtual cards, you can give one budget to those 2 people, allowing them to share the management of all virtual cards within that budget. And third, ensure time off coverage. Add budget users to allow someone else to approve virtual card update requests when you're out of office. And when you set up budgets and Extend, your virtual cards will not only be neat and organized, but you'll always have real-time visibility of total card spend. Now we'll look at how to choose your budget type. Extend offers 3 types of budgets that you can customize to fit different spend management scenarios. First, we have the standard budget. This one is really straightforward. Set a budget limit and share it with whomever needs access. Then they can create as many virtual cards as needed within that budget limit. When funds run out, no more virtual cards can be created, but you can always update the budget limit and other details at any time. Second, we have the recurring budget. Much like recurring virtual cards, a recurring budget has a limit that you can schedule to automatically reset at your chosen frequency, like daily, weekly, or monthly. One thing to note is that remaining balances will not roll over from the previous budget cycle. They just reset to the original limit. So if you have a monthly recurring budget of $100, the budget will completely reset to $100 every month. If you need to create recurring virtual cards for, let's say, monthly software subscriptions, we recommend you create them from a recurring budget. This way, you can ensure you always have sufficient funds for each payment. The third budget type is the unlimited budget. This budget is only unlimited up to the actual credit limit of the card funding source. So let's say you create an unlimited budget from a funding source with a $30,000 credit limit. It will say unlimited budget in Extend, but the budget will technically max out at $30,000. An unlimited budget is a great option if you're ready to create virtual cards, but you're not yet sure how you want to organize your budgets. And if you decide to share the unlimited budget with someone else, you can think of it like sharing access to your credit line without sharing the credit card number or losing full visibility. Now that we've got the gist of how budgets work, let's take a look at use cases and best practices for adopting budgets into your day-to-day financial operations. There are many use cases for setting up budgets. You may want to set up budgets for department expenses, project or client costs, employee travel, digital advertising, franchises or multiple locations, petty cash expenses. Let's look at a few detailed scenarios when it comes to taking advantage of budgets. First, we have empowering others to manage team spend. Giving budgets to department heads or team leaders is a great way to securely delegate financial responsibility while maintaining full view of spend. Plus, you can consolidate the number of card statements you have to reconcile at the end of each month. Let's say you have a marketing manager responsible for approving and managing ad spend. You can empower this manager with an advertising budget so that they can create virtual cards for themselves and other team members to pay for the spend. The good news for you is that you no longer need to approve every single card for the whole company. And again, you still get real-time visibility over all budget activity and can update budget controls and details at any time. Next, we have shared administrative access. Does more than one person manage your virtual card program or a specific department spend? Let's say 2 people oversee travel expenses for your company. You can create a travel budget and share it with both of those people. This way, they can share in the creation, update, and approval of all virtual cards within that budget. And while they're co-managing these cards, you can still see every virtual card created and all card transactions within the budget. Lastly, let's talk about ensuring time off coverage. This is a no-brainer. If you have a designated teammate who typically covers for you when you take a sick day or go on vacation, you can add this person as a user on the budgets you've created. This way, when you're out of office, they'll be able to create virtual cards and update them as needed. No delays or disruptions while you're away. And when you're back, you can remove them from the budget if you like. So why start with a budget? At the end of the day, we recommend creating your virtual cards from budgets so that you can always safeguard against future flexibility needs, whether it's coverage on your time off or ensuring you'll always have the ability to share administration of your virtual cards. Creating virtual cards under budgets will keep you organized and set up for success. I hope this overview has given you some ideas about how to make budgets work for you and your business. Thanks for watching.
To learn more, visit our Help Center.